show you how to replace the bulbs on this 01 Altima and also take it out. So if anybody want to take it out, replace it with a new one, or you just want to change their bulbs, let's get it. Okay, all you're gonna need is an 8. Let's take this off right here. You have to spin it off. Boom, boom. All right, take that out. There's one over here too. You gotta take this off. Okay, then you're gonna need a screw or a flathead to get in here, because sometimes these things be getting stuck. Okay, once you get your flathead, not flathead, your screwdriver, and this, you could get a flathead or something like this. I gotta pick, because when you spin this, it pops up and you gotta get under it and just pop it out. Let me show you what I'm talking about. Gotta go like this, and you see it come up. Make sure it fits in there. See, up, you see? Oh, you gotta pop it out. You pop up like that, ish, a little lower, and you gotta go with the pick. Should be out now. Okay, so when you do that, this, stick that off, because it's tucked in under here. Take that off. Boom. Same thing with these. See, look, it pops up. You see? Pops up. Boom. Take it off. Okay. Same thing with this. Same thing. Boom. Boom. I'll take your flathead or whatever. I still have this pick, so I'm gonna just use this pick, pop it up, do it for all 4. Okay. Alright, should come off like that. Boom. Now back this out. Back. Okay. Right. Alright, so now back that out the way. These are your bulbs right here. If you want to change the reverse bulb, this will be a reverse bulb. Twist. Put your bulb in and put it back. Same thing with your this is a parking light bulb. Twist it, take it out, put a new one, twist it back, and your brake light. It's your brake light bulb. Up here, once again, take it out, twist it out, put your new one, twist it back. Okay, now if you want to take this thing off, like the whole thing out, sometimes it's gonna be, a little difficult, because the seal around here is type hard. So let's disconnect it first, right here. Boom. Damn, sometimes, okay. Boom. Take this off from here, like this. And your 8s. 1, 2, 3. And don't forget, there's there's one that's hiding. One more screw's hiding right in this hole. Right here. Boom. Okay? So take all those out. Okay. Once you take those off, you should try and push it. Like I said, it's going to be a little hard because the seal around here. The seal, they get stuck. But I'm going to have to use 2 hands to push it back. All you do is push it back. You know what I'm saying? Okay, so I'm using this rubber mallet to, push it in. Push these. The studs that's on there. Push it inwards. Do for all 3. Once you do that, it should pop out slowly. Make sure you don't drop it. Okay. See how it's coming out? Okay, it's like that. See, that's the glue I was talking about. glue on there. Slowly take it out. Easily. Okay, boom. There you go. Bam, bam. It's out. If you want, you can reseal this shit. Reseal it, but it should be alright. Okay. Once you do that, put your other one, whatever you're doing, a custom one or the same one. Okay, now let's put this back. Same way you took it out. Boom. Put it in the hole. Squeeze it in there. Push it in there, I mean. Not squeeze. Okay. Should be good. Put your 4 bolts. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Once you tighten your 4 bolts, boom, boom, boom. Put your connector back on. Okay, put these back in the hole. Okay, boom. Down there too. Boom. Put these back. Twist it on. Other one down here. And I already replaced this one, the one I broke off. I replaced it with another one. Now let's put this on. That. Put your things right here. Boom, boom. These in. That. Okay. Okay, boom. It's down. All you gotta do is push it down. That's it. 4, boom. That's it. Check your tail light. Make sure it works before you put everything back together. Test it. Okay. Okay, that was it. So, you need help? You already know. Comment below. Hit me on Instagram. These mechanics. You should not need help with this. This is easy, man. Step by step. Easy. Slow as hell. I do it slow as hell. Type boring. I still do it. Step by step. Okay? So, I helped you out. Give me a like. And do not forget to subscribe. Do not forget to subscribe. Later.